today's bus talk, we're going to talk about if you have overfiled your cover powder, especially your strong cover powder, and you filed it away at the cuticle area, but you can fix it. So all I'm going to do is, if there is natural nail visible, I'm just going to apply protein bond onto that area, and then I'm going to use the same color that I've used, and in this case Cover Earth, which is quite a strong cover powder, and I'm going to fix that with a drier pull, not too big, and I only want to fix where I've overfiled it. So I'm still dropping my finger so that I've got control over my cuticle area, and don't stroke the product too quickly because you don't want to stroke it away. And I just want to blend it in with the rest of the nail, and then you can give the nail a slight buff after it is dry, and you will have cover powder without any shadowing at the cuticle area.